Hi, I'm Jonathan Goldman. I'd like to tell you about the 1111 Divine Name Seminar. This special weekend experience is a step-by-step process of vibratory initiation and activation using sacred sound, which culminates in the sounding of the divine name at 1111 on 1111. The divine name is a universal sacred sound, a hotline to the divine that can be practiced as a form of healing and prayer for personal and planetary manifestation, regardless of your spiritual tradition. This workshop is presented to give you the most powerful and easiest way of using your own sound as an extraordinary sacred tool for healing, transformation, and manifestation. Along the way, you'll be guided through the essential aspects of sound healing, including the physics of sound, breath and tone, vowels as mantras, vocal harmonics, and the angel of sound activation. Then we'll learn about the divine name. We'll learn about its history and discovery, and we'll learn to intone it together, experiencing this most sacred sound for prayer and healing. This was a most amazing transformative experience for those who attended the actual event. Now, for the first time, it's my great pleasure to be able to share the magic and majesty of this unique event with you. Please take this opportunity to resonate with the 1111 Divine Name Seminar. It's something you won't want to miss.